Tastyworks Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're looking for a powerful trading platform specifically designed for options traders, Tastyworks might be on your radar. This platform is built by the team behind Thinkorswim, so you know it's designed with active traders in mind. Let's dive into what you need to know before using it. First off, Tastyworks offers some of the lowest commissions for options trading. $1 per contract to open and $0 to close, making it ideal for high-volume traders. However, its interface can be overwhelming for beginners. It's packed with tools like customizable charts, options chains, and unique visualizations, but they come with a steep learning curve. If you're into stocks, futures, or crypto trading, Tastyworks supports those too, but it clearly prioritizes options, so keep that in mind. Tastyworks excels in speed. Order executions are quick and reliable, which is a must for day traders. The platform also has a robust mobile app, so you're not stuck to your desk. One downside? There's no paper trading feature for practice. So if you're new, you'll be learning with real money. Customer support is efficient but not 24/7, so you may run into issues outside of trading hours. On the plus side, Tastyworks provides educational content, especially for options trading, which can help you make better decisions. But it's still not as beginner-friendly as some other platforms like Robinhood or Webull. Who is Tastyworks made for? It's clearly aimed at experienced options traders who need a robust, feature-rich platform to execute complex strategies quickly. If you're just getting started with trading, you might find it too advanced and lacking in certain areas like easy-to-understand analytics or instant customer support. So, should you use Tastyworks? If you're an active trader looking for low fees and advanced tools, it's a great fit. But if you're a beginner or someone who prefers simplicity, it might not be the best choice for you.